Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the Istanbul car wash at Clean and Spot Car Wash in Wylie, Texas. We're gonna see if it's an MNEX 22, even though it's a European system.
So this system comes from Europe?
It seems like it. From Spain.
Spain?
Is what my friend's
Wow.
Top Wash James said. And I see brushes. So we're gonna...
Oh, this is the one that Google made a mistake on.
Yeah, when they didn't even update the Water Wizard. It used to be a Water Wizard, and then it got replaced with an Istanbul.
Yeah, I put the mirrors in.
Yep,
We
with
get
the button.
power. Yep.
Even though on the Silverado we would have to manually do it.
See, it still says touchless, automatic. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's just insane. They need to fix that.
Yeah, they need to take the less sign, the sign called less off.
So we will add that to our review, and YouTubers, add that to your review of this video,
Yeah,
please.
Yeah, they used to have a Water Wizard touchless.
Welcome. Drive forward. Welcome. Drive forward.
Okay.
And there go the retrofit Hamilton Auto Cashier Pay Station, the gold line. You can roll down the window if you want.
Okay. Is this narrow?
It seems like it's narrow.
That looks nice.
Yeah.
So the touch-free, oh, you can choose a touch-free option.
Yeah, we didn't realize about that.
Oh, so the owner's not crazy. Okay, YouTubers, don't tell the owner to take the touchless sign down. This is both types of washes.
Yeah, okay, this is the Istanbul Flex 5.
I've never seen this. Have we ever reviewed this?
We haven't been
This
to a
system?
system like this anywhere. Let me tell you something, there's actually two of them in Wylie. Like another one at Wylie Auto Wash.
And you don't have to pull up onto a little ramp for it to know that you need to stop. It must be filming.
Right. I don't think if it's filming.
Somehow it detected us.
Yeah. The sunroof open.
Okay.
That way so we can see the brush go over the top. Move forward. This is almost like we're in Europe for this. Even though we're in the United States.
Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah. Okay, here comes the brushes. And of course there's another one in Wylie as well too. That's also European, which is at Wylie Auto Wash.
Very cool. How long does this wash last?
We'll see.
Generally.
We'll find out. Probably somewhere in between 5 to 10 minutes, but we'll see for this one. Since it's our first time going through a system like this.
Yeah.
It looks modern. Like they probably shipped it over from Europe to USA.
Correct. I forgot. We got the sunroof.
Yep, and they changed directions.
Did this have wheel scrubbers?
I don't know.
I forgot to look.
We'll see. Seems like the brushes are spinning pretty fast. I think it would probably get the dirt off.
Oh, we need to,
Yeah. That's probably why we call it hard touch. Because they spin fast. we can feel it go through the hitch. Okay, we can see the cycles, the light, the blue light. I think it's shown that's on the brushes. And this car hasn't been washed since 5 months, I think.
It has been a really long time.
Yeah.
That sounds like it's gonna be strong.
Yeah, I believe it was actually spraying the wheels. Let's see. Okay, we can see what's it doing. Okay, here comes the sprayers, the rinse.
Does this have an onboard dryer?
Let's see. We'll see if it drops down. I think I see a drop down dryer.
Yeah,
on top.
I see it. Yep.
I believe it's going to do a drop down one.
That's good.
And by the way, Dad, the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex only has two European car wash systems.
Where's the other one?
Well, both of them are in Wiley,
Really?
but it's in different locations, different parts
Is
of
it
Wiley.
the same looking system?
I think so, probably.
We'll have to do that one the next time.
Yeah. It's at Wiley Auto Wash.
Okay.
Okay, looks like I can see the blue light. I think it tells you about the cycles, about what's it doing, but I see a star, even though it's kind of hard to tell the cycles because of the photos. I believe the bottom one's the
Is this
blower.
the spot-free rinse?
I would say it is, judging by the stars. Okay, we can see the ding dropping down.
Yep, it's an onboard.
Yep.
Whoa, I've never seen that before. Have we done a dryer like this before?
Well, not in the M-Bay automatic, but we have been to a Dress Pro dryer, like drove through one that can lift up.
But this is cool.
But we've been to a dryer that lifts up at Legends Express Car Wash.
This probably dries better. I wonder if we get 2 passes, or do you think we only get 1?
I think we get 2 actually.
Look at that.
Yeah, looks like it's profiling the car.
Yeah.
And it lifted up a little bit more.
Yeah. I think we'll get a second pass because it has to, the system has to return to the front anyway.
Yeah.
Hope it gets it dry.
That's where it belongs to.
Now it's coming back.
Yep, I think it's going to drop down at the back of the Tahoe.
Oh, to get some of the back. I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Does it look like it's drying?
It seems like it, even though the back windshield's still kind of wet.
I noticed that. It's not a bogus dryer, is it?
We'll see. We'll see once it says exit slowly. It looks like there's a row on the left side too that actually helps the machine move.
Oh, yeah. Looks like the tires on a tank, like a military tank.
Yeah, there go the Flex 5 sign. I see that. But I got that on video. I think it said thank you for using our car wash.
Yeah.
Have a great day. That's what she said. Have. Yep. There goes some manual bays.
Okay.
And we just closed the sunroof.
Yep, that's
Looks
it.
like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I believe 6 manual bays. And it's right next to a Firestone.
Which is cool.
Mm-hmm. And there's an ice machine with a. Let's see if they have water. Seems like it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and buy YouTubers. This was an Istanbul Flex 5 car wash at the Clean and Spot Car Wash in Wiley, Texas. And it's a European system that we got to review for the first time since they brought it over from, I think, from Spain to United States. Anyways, bye.